Okay, so I guess I'm audible. And as I mentioned in my other social media uh, thing, that I'm going to post my analysis of gold because I particularly trade gold only. So, first, I'll introduce myself, who I am, why I'm doing this, and what is the purpose behind me posting my daily analysis. So, my name is Abdul Ghafoor, and I've been trading for the last what 4 years. Yeah, I was first trading Indian markets, options to be specific, and because of very big losses, I quit that. And one of a good trader in the industry introduced me to gold, to forex, and from that moment, I'm trading only gold. I'm doing this, just I don't want any reach or anything. I don't care about that. It's just for me because I like journaling. So I thought, posting my daily analysis would be a good way to journal, as well as I know it will be a very convenient way for me to get back to that video and see what mistakes I did and what good things that happened on that day. So yeah, let's hop on to the analysis. What I trade, it's simple. I trade price action. I don't trade very much complicated things, but the levels that you are seeing here is are standard deviation levels. What are standard deviation levels? So this standard deviation levels are zones, or you can say a psychological price where market could react. If for example, this is the blue line, which is a weekly standard deviation level where we can expect the gold to have a momentum till this blue line, or vice versa. To this, it's also blue line here. It's not visible because of this weekly level, but yeah, I will not get into the depth of what standard deviations are and how this is traded and how and whatever. I won't get into that deep. But how what I trade is just basically this standard deviation levels and normal price action. So looking at the gold, I trade intraday basis. So looking at gold right now, the daily candle I can see is bullish. The previous Friday, the gold went up and came like close as a projection, and it's good that we are trading out of this range, this Friday's range, hoping to price move further and hit this blue line. So at daily I can see it's bullish. 4 hour, if we go to see 4 hour, the recent breakout that we had on 4 hour is for bullish. If you guys are new, or if someone just started trading forex and don't know how to look at market structure, I just hop onto the line chart and see where the previous break of structure happened. So for me, the previous break of structure happened on 4 hour here and broke this resistance, broke and closed above this resistance. So there is second confluence that I am looking is a 4 hour breakup. I'll just note it down here as well. Daily bullish, 4 hour, sorry, 4 hour bias bullish. Also, I have one indicator here, which it's a custom indicator. It's from one of my mentor who gave me this. The indicator is just a correlation of DXY and I guess what US 10, US 10-year data, 10-year bond, and gold. So the indicator says that we are bullish, sorry, bearish. You can see the color here. It states that it's bearish, but it's just an confluence. Indicator shows our data, shows data very late, but I can see that here there's a candles 4 hour breakout is for bullish. 1 hour, I can see that, you know, one thing I'm very much confident is that we are bullish. I am also this Asia range was also very bullish. So I'm also expecting, the London session to be bullish as well. I trade pre-London, London open and London close. Not London close, the session close. Okay, so I'm expecting the London to be go bullish as well. Okay, let's see the indicator that I've been seeing. This one is only referred on higher time frame. So 4 hour and one, not on daily, because on daily it's way too big. I don't We don't trade like that. I trade intraday basis. So, but on 1 hour, it has turned from bearish to bullish. So we have one confluence that on 1 hour the indicator is bullish. So the three confluences showed us that we are bullish, and we can expect the London session to go bullish as well. Now let's see on 15 minutes. 15 minutes kind of ranging in this week. It's on the Asia session we got this rejection, and on this rejection area only we are trading. So I want the pre-London to go above this and to London open somewhere here and to expect price to go up. Okay, so our the higher time frame confluences are suggesting or referring us to go bullish. So in the London session, I will look for some bullishness. Let's see. Let's see whatever the results. I'll be sharing it on my Twitter and Instagram. The analysis will be on YouTube, but I'll click this picture. I'll click with this. I know the notes that I've generated. With this, I'll post it on my Twitter and Instagram. Okay, cool. Thank you. Also, okay, I forgot one thing. The news. We don't have any such major news today. We have some ISM manufacturing PMI at 8:30. Let's see how NY reacts to this news. Apart from that, we don't have any major news during the London session. Also, the Venezuela crisis triggered the gold rally. I don't really think that it will anytime sooner impact the gold, because things don't happen overnight. If US did took over the Venezuela's crude oil, it won't start producing and distributing the crude oil to America as soon from today itself. No, it takes time. It's a procedure. It has to happen. But so let's see. Our price action states that we are bullish. And let's see how London plays out. I'll keep you posted. Thank you, guys.